In this clip, let's talk about the difference between a watch and a warning. Now, when we're talking about watches and warnings, they come every season of the year. They're just slightly different. Are we talking about a thunderstorm watch or warning, a severe thunderstorm watch or warning? These can turn into tornadoes. You need to know the difference between a watch and a difference between a warning. The basic, really, it is quite basic. A watch means that it hasn't happened yet in your area. We are watching it. A warning means that it is imminent or it is occurring somewhere in your region. So there is a warning because it is already made, the system, whatever it is, whether it's a severe thunderstorm warning, so a severe thunderstorm in nature, it's already in your region. So that's the difference between a watch or a warning. And many of the websites that you'll visit, for instance, I've got a couple examples up on the screen now, but they will post watches or warnings on websites, and when they have ended, they will post that as well to keep you up to date. It's so important to keep you as up to date as possible, and your audience and your viewers and anyone that you're trying to relay this information to, because you don't want to keep a watch or a warning up for too long, especially if the system has already passed by. So watches and warnings, very important.